Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to solve equations. This video is only going to go over solving one-step problems, so this would be a good video to watch if you're just getting introduced to this content for the first time. But I will be sure to post more videos on the subject with some more complex problems as well. For this video though, we are going to do a couple examples of different problems that touch on when to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. The main objective of solving equations is always to isolate the variable. A, B, C, X, Y, Z, whatever the variable is, all you want to do is get it by itself on one side of the equal sign. Let's look at our first example. X plus 4 equals 11. We want to get X all by itself on one side of the equal sign, but right now it's being accompanied by this pesky plus 4. The way to get rid of the 4 is to do the opposite operation. Since 4 is being added, we can get rid of it by subtraction. We can subtract 4 from both sides of the equal sign. 4 minus 4 is 0, so this cancels out and isolates the x. 11 minus 4 is 7, so x is equal to 7. Let's do another similar problem. What about 19 plus x equals 30? Again, we want to get x all by itself, and right now there's a 19 on the same side that we want to get rid of. X and 19 are being added. What's the opposite of addition? Subtraction. So we can subtract this 19 from both sides of the equation. This cancels out the 19 we started with and isolates x. And 30 minus 19 equals 11. So x equals 11. Let's move on to some subtraction problems. 15 minus x equals 2. There are two ways to go about this problem, where you move either the 15 or the x, but in these examples I'm going to keep x where it is and just move the other numbers instead. 15 is a positive number here, so I'm going to subtract it from each side. Just like before, 15 minus 15 is 0, so this cancels out. But rather than leaving us with x, this leaves us with negative x, so we're going to bring that whole part down. And 2 minus 15 is negative 13, so negative x is equal to negative 13. But we aren't interested in the value of negative x, we want to know what x is. You can get rid of the negative sign by multiplying both sides by negative 1. Our final answer now is x equals 13. Let's do another example. 10 minus x is equal to 4. Here we see 10 being subtracted from x, so can do the opposite of subtraction, addition, to cancel it out. When you add 10 to both sides, it cancels out to isolate x, and adds with 4 on the other side to equal 14. So x is equal to 14. What about when the variable is being multiplied by the constant? Well, what is the opposite of multiplication? Division. Let's look at an example. 9 times x is equal to 45. Since 9 and x are being multiplied, I can divide both sides by 9 to isolate x. This gets us x is equal to 5. Let's do another problem. Negative 4 times x is equal to negative 20. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4 to isolate x. On the other side of my equation, I have a negative divided by a negative, which cancels out to a positive. So my final answer is x is equal to 5. I think you guessed what's coming next. Division. Let's say we have 10 equal to x divided by 4. The opposite of division is multiplication, so I can get rid of the 4 by multiplying both sides by it. 4 times 10 is equal to 40, so this is our final answer. Another example is x divided by 11 is equal to 2. Again, I can multiply the denominator, 11, to cancel it out. This gets us x is equal to 22. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or requests for other math you'd like to see, please put them in the comments. Continue to check out my page for more math tutorials in addition to cool science communication podcasts. Thank you for listening to Just One Bird's Opinion.